Good morning. What's going on, people? I'm back. Haven't done a video lately. I did one, but I never posted yet. But anyway, I'm out here about to, guess what? Let me take it out of the bag. Blueberries. About to grow some tried to grow some blueberries. I did cuttings that was a success. But I got the seeds. It's some season on blueberry. It's very fine. It's small. So I did some research on it. They do have seeds. So I seen different videos how they do it. So I'm gonna give it a try. I also got some black raspberry and the red raspberry. Also, I'm gonna try. But right now, I focus on blueberries. So I got the two pots here. Of course, this one I haven't watered. I had watered this one a couple days ago. It's still moist because it's not in the sun. And I heard that they very thrive on sunlight. So excuse the junk. Not only this is my workbench, I also keep my plants on here too. Oh, here's my other fruits growing. Y'all remember? You guys remember that one right there? These is my grapefruits, growing grapefruits. So not everyone going to be successful. Like this one right here, it looked like it's starting to die, and that one right there you go. That one right there. That's just about to die. I don't know. Only mistake I have is I need to write them. Well, write the names of the fruits, what kind of fruit it is when I print it. You know, I have times, yes, I do forget. So, but let's move on to this blueberry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna extract the seeds from it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half and lay the pulp on top of the soil. Then I'm gonna end up covering it with thin, pack it down a little bit, thin, and wet it a little bit, and let it sit. Let it do its thing. All right, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna show you guys. Then I'm gonna pause the video again and go from there. All right. You can see when you open it up, you can see the little seeds inside of it. Now I need to look back online. I don't even know if they took the skin off of it, or I think they left the skin on. So again, this is my first time doing this, so I need to go back. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna go back and watch a couple of videos real quick, and I'm gonna get back to you guys if they leave the skin on or did they take the skin off and still cut it in half, just like what I did. So let's go from there. All right, be back. All right. Yes, they did leave the skin on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place it. And he was saying that the guy on the video I was watching, he was saying that the darker ones want to sprout than the smaller, lighter ones. So more faster than the smaller and lighter ones. I correct that. But yeah, it stuck on my finger. All right, so you just lay them down just like that. Back to the blueberries. Since I have enough room for maybe 1, maybe 2, and I'm gonna do this one because I got more blueberries. Oh, I forgot. I also got strawberries. Actually, my mom had told me about this, and I really didn't think about it because I wasn't growing strawberries at the time. So Anyway, the strawberries, on the skin of the strawberries is seeds. In a way I kind of knew, in a way I didn't, if that makes sense. So I really didn't grow any strawberries, so I'm gonna try it. I don't know if I need a bigger, you know what, I got one down there. I'm gonna try it. So hopefully I got enough soil for it to grow it. So yes, I'm gonna try the strawberries. And also I'm gonna try the raspberry, the black and the red raspberry. So that might be a later video. I'm not sure. All depends if I have enough soil to do that. But I am gonna try the strawberries. But going back, what I was saying. Here you go. So let me go ahead and pause the video again, and again, because I need 2 hands for this, and I get back with you guys. So after I place it like this, so I'm gonna put topsoil on top of it. The soil I'm putting top is already moist, but I'm gonna add some more water to it. The wind blowing, so it closed the door for me. So not gonna put too. I'm not gonna pack it too much. So I just pack it down. A little bit more. I'm not packing it out of the camera. I'm not packing it too hard, but enough that when I do water it, the soil won't move and expose the seeds. All right, so I did both of them. So I had to keep watching me putting soil. So I'm gonna go ahead and water it, and I'm gonna put it in and let it sit. The guy told me it take about within two couple weeks to when you start seeing results of sprouting and stuff like that. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and water it, and it could be a part 2, show you guys the blueberry. All right, you guys have a great day. Peace out.